Hello friend, myself Sangeeta Hadole. Today we are going to learn Operational Research Unit 4 Theory of Game. First we see the introduction of game theory. Game theory of game is a mathematical theory. In business and economical literature, the term game refers to the general situation of conflict and competition in which two or more competitors are involved in decision-making activities in the anticipation of certain outcome over a period of time. Competitor means player, and player may be individual or group of individuals. The model in the theory of game can be classified depending upon the following factor. First factor is number of players. If a game involves only two players, then it is called two-person game. However, if the number of players are more, the game is referred to a n-person game. Second factor is sum of gains and losses. If in a game sum of the gains to one player is exactly equal to sum of losses to another player, so that sum of the gain and losses equal to 0, then game is said to be zero-sum game. Otherwise, it is said to be non-zero-sum game. Third point is strategy. The strategy for a player is the list of all possible action that he will take for every payoff that might arise. The particular strategy by which player optimizes his gain and loss without knowing the competitor strategy is called optimal strategy. The strategy has two types. Pure strategy and mixed strategy. First we see the pure strategy. It is the decision rule which is always used by the player to select the particular strategy. Then we see the mixed strategy. Course of action that are to be selected on a particular occasion with some fixed probability are called mixed strategy. Then fourth point is payoff matrix. In the two-person zero-sum game, the resulting gain can be represented in terms of matrix is called payoff matrix. Then we see the minimax and minimax and maximin principle. First, see maximin. In this principle, maximize the guaranteed gain of a player A. For a player A, minimum value in each row represent the least gain. To him, it is written in a matrix by row minima. Then he will select the strategy that maximizes the minimum gain. Then second point is minimax. In minimax principle, minimize the maximum losses. The maximum value in each column represent the maximum loss. To him, it is written in a matrix by column matrix. Then he will select the strategy that minimize the maximum losses. We see the example. Example is given by the matrix form. Matrix 1, 13, 11, minus 9, 5, minus 11, 0, minus 3, 13. This is 3 by 3 matrix. In this matrix, first we find the maximin. Then find minimax. First we see the first row. In first row, element are 1, 13, 11. Then minimum element of these three is 1. Second row, the element are minus 9, 5, minus 11, and smallest element of these three is minus 11. And third, element are 0, minus 3, 13, and smallest element is minus 3. All of these three element and maximum element is 1, and ring the 1 maximum element. In the column, first column element is 1, minus 1, 0. Then first find the maximum element of each column. First column maximum element is 1. Second column 13, 5, minus 3. Maximum element is 13. And third column maximum element is also 13. In these three elements, then we select the minimum element and ring that element. In this example, maximin is equal to 1 and minimax is equal to 1. Then we see the saddle point. Then we see the saddle point. First we see the definition of saddle point. Saddle point, a saddle point is a position of such an element in the payoff matrix which is minimum in its row and maximum in its column. The payoff at the saddle point is called as the value of game. Game may have more than one saddle point. Maximin Aij is equal to minimax Aij is called saddle point, and these 2 points are same, that is called the game value. If the payoff has no saddle point, then we say that game without saddle point, and in this case player has used mixed strategy. But in the game two value of minimax and maximin are same, then that is the that game have saddle point and it is used the pure strategy. Then we above example, minimax is equal to 1 and maximin is equal to 1. These two value are same, therefore saddle point is 1 and this is the value of game value. Then we see the solution of rectangular game. Then we see the solution of rectangular game. First we see the procedure to find the solution of rectangular game. First point is, at the right of each row, write down the row minimum and ring the large of them. And second point, row minimum and ring large of them. Second point, column maximum and ring small of them. Means second point, at the bottom of the each column write the column maximum element and ring the smallest of them. Third is, if these 2 points maximum and minimum, means maximin is equal to minimax, these 2 points are same, that is the saddle point, this is the value of game. This game is the saddle point game. If fourth point, if maximin not equal to minimax, means these 2 points are not same, that game is called without saddle point game, and in this game mixed strategy is used. And fourth point is, if there is more than one saddle point, then there will be no there are more solution, and this solution lies between these two corresponding values. Then we see the example for rectangular game. See the example. In this example, player B and player A. First row is 16, 4, 0, 14, minus 2. Second row is 20, 8, 6, 10, 12. Third is 2, 6, 4, 8, 14, 8, 10, 2, 2, 0. This matrix is 4 by 5 matrix. In this matrix, 4 rows are present and 5 columns are present. First, in this matrix, first find maximum and minimax. Maximum also known as row minima, and minimax is also known as column maxima. In first row, element are 16, 4, 0, 14, minus 2, and smallest element is minus 2. In second row, element is 20, 8, 6, 10, 12, and smallest element is 6. In third, 2, 6, 4, 8, 14, and smallest element is 4. And third, 8, 10, 2, 2, 0, and smallest element is 0. To select the maximum of this minimum, here maximum of this minimum is 6, and ring that element. Then find the column minima. First find the maximum of each column. In first column, maximum element is 20. In second column, maximum element is 10. In third column, maximum element is 6. In fourth column, maximum element is 14. And in fifth column, maximum element is also 14. Then we select the minimum element from this maximum element, and minimum element is 6, and ring that element 6. Maximum V is equal to 6, and minimax V is also equal to 6. Means maximum equal to minimax is equal to 6. Means these 2 points, maximum and minimax, is same. Means this game is saddle point game, and value of game is, therefore the value of game is 6. Therefore the value of game is 6. In this game, the minimax maximum is second row. This is this element, and maximum is second row and third column. Therefore the sale of strategy is 2, 3. Sale of strategy two, 3, and the value of game is 6. That element 6. This is the value of game. Then next, again second example is given. Second example is player B, player A. Matrix is 1, 4, 6, 2, 1, 3, 5, 2, 1. This is the second example. In this example, first find the row minimum, or row minima is also known as maximin. In first row, the smallest element is 1. In second row, the smallest element is also 1. And in third row, the smallest element is also 1. Then find the column maxima, or also it is known as minimax. In first column, largest element is 5. In second column, largest element is 4. In third column, largest element is 6. In this problem, maximin is not equal to minimax. Means maximum is 4. Minimax is 4 and maximin is any element 1. Therefore, maximin and minimax is not equal. Maximin is 1 and 1 is not equal to 4. These 2 points are not equal. Therefore, the saddle point is not exist. In this game, the saddle point is not exist, and the value of game lies between these 2 points. Means the value of game lies between 1 and 4. Value of game lies between these 2 points, maximin and minimax, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. And the strategy of this game is, which cell is present? The cell 1 is for second row, this element, and 4 is also second column. Means strategy for player B. Player B means second row है ना, इसलिए B2. strategy present 2 cell. Means player B in B2 cell and player A in A2, also A2. Means strategy of present 2 cell. Again we see the next example. Two, 4, 5, 10, 7, Q, 4, P, 16. This is 3x3 matrix, and we see that there are 2 unknown values P and Q. The first in this type of example, first ignoring the value of P and Q, and we determine the maximin and minimax. We ignore this value P and Q and find maximin and minimax. In first row, smallest element is 2. In second row, smallest element is 7, and in third, smallest element is 4. Ignore this value P and Q. In first column, smallest element, largest element is 10, and in second column, largest element is 7, and in third column, largest element is 16. Then मैक्सिमम में मिनिमम एलिमेंट है 2, 7, 4. इसमें मैक्सिमम कौन सा है 7, रिंग दिस एलिमेंट. और इसमें 10, 7, 16, इसमें मिनिमम है 7. देयरफॉर मैक्सिमम इज इक्वल टू एंड मिनिमैक्स is equal to 7. Means the ignoring this value P and Q, we say that the saddle point is 7, and this lies in second row and second column. This is the element. If P is greater than 7, then this value is correct or wrong? Wrong, because here we take largest element. Therefore P less than 7, and Q in this second row, the minimum value मैक्सिमम में ये क्या है चूज करते हैं अपन मिनिमम वैल्यू. देयरफॉर Q is greater than 7. Means value of P and Q is P less than 7 and Q greater than 7. Then this is 7. Then next example is -4, -2, -2, 3, 1, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, -6, -5, -2, -4, 4, 3, 1, -6, 0, -8. This is 4 by 5 matrix. We find maximum and minimax. In this example, first row, the smallest element is -4. In second row, smallest element is -1. In third row, smallest element is -6, and in fourth row, smallest element is -8. Then maximum element of this minimum element, that is 1. In first column, maximum element is 3. Second column, maximum element is 1. In third column, maximum element is -1. Fourth column, maximum element is 3. And fifth column, maximum element is 4. Then minimum of this -1. Means maximum V is equal to -1, and minimax is equal to also -1. Means second row and third column. Means sale of strategy. second row, third column, and the value of game is -1. Means player, this is player A or this is player B. Player B strategy is third column and player A strategy is second row. Thank you.